So here are all the pieces to create the wood wall. So if you come here, you lay your pieces down. I'm assembling it with the wood triangle towards me, and that is an R for right. So that should be on your right side. And I lay the other one the opposite way, L for left. When you come to these boards, you will have to look in the stack of boards. There are 2 boards with holes. This one here will say bottom right with an arrow saying that is the upside. So if you put it in upside down, it will not fit. This is the top right with the arrow pointing up. Of course, on the other side, it is marked bottom left up and top left and up. The other 8 boards are identical, so I just put them all in one pile, and now we will assemble the wall. For the back, for the front. Here the up arrows pointing up on the corner of the board. We'll do that one first. Oh yeah, I gotta hold up the board at the other end. You want to hold the board up at the other end, Dad?
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. Washer goes on here.
Hand tight.
Hand tight is enough, okay? Hand tight is enough. Now we go to the other side. This is the second one. This is best done with 2 people. So it's best done with 2 people. And again, finger tight is enough. Now, you take all your boards that are the same, the 8 that are the same, and you put them in between. Here's the last board. Paying attention again to the up arrow that it points to the ceiling or the sky.
How's your master filming?
And now we've got to put the bolts in.
Just don't put that on.
And again, finger tight is enough. And the other side the same. There you go, finger tight is enough.
Okay. Now you stay in the middle.
So this is 8 feet by 8 feet, so it's an approximate square really. It's slightly less than 8 feet, but let's say 8 feet because of the base plates are also 2 inches.